In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background on Google Slides. It's a simple process that can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your presentations. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open up Google Slides. If you're not already familiar, you can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in Google Slides. Once the page loads, it's time to access your slides. You'll need to be signed into your Google account. If you haven't done so, take a moment to log in with your credentials. Now that you're signed in, you'll be directed to the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll see different options to get started with your presentation. If you want to start fresh, click on the blank presentation. Alternatively, you can select from various templates if you have a specific style in mind. This flexibility lets you tailor your presentation to suit your specific needs right from the start. Now that you have your presentation open, we can move on to actually adding the background. Begin by focusing your attention on the top menu bar where all your tools are located. Look for the Insert option. Clicking on it will present a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down menu, choose Image. You'll see several ways to source an image, including uploading from your computer, searching the web, and more. For today, we're adding a personal touch by uploading an image stored on your computer. So, select Upload from Computer. This action will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to navigate through your computer's files. Browse through your saved files to find the image you'd like as your background. When selecting the image, consider how it will appear behind your text and other content. Busy backgrounds can be distracting, so simpler designs or solid colors can often be more effective. After you've selected your image, click Open. The image will then be inserted into your slide. You might notice it's sitting on top of everything, but don't worry, this is easy to fix. Simply right-click on the image and choose the option to Send to Back. This will place your image behind any text or elements you have on your slide, seamlessly integrating it as a background. Take a moment to adjust the size and positioning of your image by clicking and dragging its corners. Ensure it covers the entire slide area for a professional looking finish. And there you have it, a personalized background that adds dimension and interest to your presentation. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a background to your Google Slides presentation. Remember, the background is one of the first things your audience will notice, so make it count. Experiment with different images to find the perfect fit, and above all, have fun with it.